Yulio is the gold standard for architectural VR. It's the fastest way to get your full presentation on a headset and into your client's hands. Architects work in 3D every day, but clients don't. They need clarity, they need immersion, and they expect it. Most VR platforms stall your meeting with installs, accounts, login links, and sync issues. We know your workflow. If you use Revit, SketchUp, CET, Twinmotion, or Enscape, you already know how to use Yulio. Open your project, choose your views, and it's ready. Yulio generates your floor plan, navigation, and AR models for you. You get a clean, fully navigable space in a few clicks. And when it's time to present, this is where Yulio stands alone. Push to headset. Scan a QR code. Your client is inside the design instantly. No accounts, no setup, no friction. With live meeting, voice chat brings you into the space together. Guide their view, highlight options, and use markup to compare changes on the fly. It feels like walking the project side by side, even when you're remote. Teams tell us they get clearer discussions, faster decisions, and the wow moments that make them stand out. And at under $600 a year, one project pays for it. Everything after that is upside. This is how professionals present. If you design in 3D, you should be presenting in VR. Start your free trial now. We can't wait to see what you'll create.